So another thing I'm going to do, in our welcome screen, so I will need to use custom fonts. So I already have some fonts in place. Let me copy and paste it in our project. So I'll paste it here. Okay, then after that, we are going to go into our layout and make sure that the fonts are loaded. So we are going to load the font here. So I will paste it here. Okay. Okay, let me save. So if we go back to the tailwind, as you can see, we can use the font here. So I'm going to change the title on our image, on our carousel. I will change the text to use this font family. Let's see how that works. So here now, I have this. So also here I'm going to use another type of font. I will use regular. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is to work on our animation. As you can see, even though we have our images and our screen set up, but the animation is not working yet, so we need to work on it now. So let's start working on our animation now. Expecting the turn type offset interval. What we are trying to do here is that we are trying to set interval ID for our carousel as it moves. Then this is constant for our animated value. So the length of our carousel is 3, so I'm setting 3 here. So I'll set the opacity. Okay, so now let us write the option that is going to handle the automatic movement of our carousel as a slice. So it's going to be back. Page. Then we're going to set the next index. Current page. So the next thing we're going to do here, we're going to fade the content of the carousel. Dots on the corner slide. So we update the active page, the active carousel. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to fade in the new slice content with a delay for a smooth transition. Let's do that. We start the timing. think there is an issue somewhere here. Okay, I think there's an issue here. So the next thing I'm going to do, I will create another callback to start our carousel automatically. Start carousel. So this will be a callback as well. So we set an interval, and we are going to call this function here. And I'm going to give it there. So again, I'm going to create another function to stop our carousel, to be a callback as well. Going to clear the interval. Create an Expo. So this is going to animate the first item in our carousel, the first one, which is this. So we are getting the first one. Okay. So we're calling this function, I'm calling it. Yeah. Also, we're going to okay, so this function here stops the carousel when our component or mount is going to stop the carousel to avoid any memory leakage. Again, we're going to create another user factory. This is going to stop our carousel. What I'm going to do next, I will move this. What I'm going to do next, as you can see on our screen, the indicator is not showing the current page, the current carousel. So I'm going to do that now. So I will set the opacity for the current page to 1. So if it is current page, then it's going to be, the opacity is going to be 1, and if not, it's going to be 0.5. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so as you can see now, it's going to the correct carousel. Okay, so let us test our application again. Let's reload. So as you can see, our custom splash is not showing very well because this is development. So like I said earlier, for us to get the best effects for our custom splash screen, we need to build for preview or for production. So I won't bother to work on that or fix that now. I'm going to change the animation effects to fade. Okay, then the fade duration will be, let me just, yeah. Okay, So this will be the end of today's tutorial. Please kindly subscribe. See you again in the next class.